Sí, ma. Miss Catherine.
¿Y aquí quién está, Alejandra?
Hola, Alejandra. Hola, Ashley.
Y esta Miss Catherine.
Sí.
Vamos a ver qué hace.
Miss Catherine.
Hi, I'm going to pass attendance list, okay? Again, because it's the second class. Aida, Dana,
Present.
Fabricio, María Fernanda, Matías, Dariana,
Presente.
Hazel, Ashley,
Present.
Fernanda Córdoba, Alan,
Presente.
Presente.
okay. Natalie, very good. Matías, Fernanda,
Miss. Es que me acaba de conectar.
okay, don't worry. Remember to make your homeworks, okay? Recorremos de siempre hacer las tareas. Todas, no importa cuál sea, ¿ok? Todas, las vamos a hacer todas. Yes, toditas las que tengamos. Hay que completarlas, todas. Sin dejar una parte, decir, no, esta no la voy a hacer, no. Hay que hacerlas todas, ¿ok?
Ahí está Fernanda.
Mandé.
El nombre aquí.
Hello, Miss.
Hi.
El nombre.
Hi.
Hi, Hazel. Who is Genesis? Who is Genesis? María Fernanda. Okay. Okay, just Dana, María Fernanda, Matías, Dariana, Hazel, Ashley, Fernanda, Alan, and Natalie. Okay. Aida. There is missing Fabricio. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. We are okay, so we're going to start. Today we have the science class. Hi.
Hi, Miss.
Hi, hi. So we're going to start with this one.
Yes.
Class.
Science class.
Science class. And we're going to learn about the central nervous system. Okay, so you need to pay attention and turn off your microphone. Okay? When I ask, you can turn on. So we have central nervous system. This is the topic for today. Central nervous system. Okay? Your nervous system. And we have some questions. How do your lungs remember to breathe when you are asleep? It's a very interesting question. How do your lungs remember to breathe when you're asleep? The other question is,
Yes.
how does your big toe, know to wiggle, wiggle when a fly lands on it. Look this one. And the other question is, how does your nose tell you that cookies are baking in the kitchen? When you smell something delicious, okay? So today we're going to answer that question, okay? Central nervous system. Look this image, nervous system. In this part, look here, we have the brain, this one in color pink, that is inside our head. The name of this one is brain. What is the name? Brain. And here, this one that is very large. This one is very large. The name of this one is spinal cord. Spinal cord. What is the name? Spinal cord. And the other one, this one.
Spinal cord.
Excellent. This one, look. This one, the name of this one are nerves. Nerves. We have brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Okay? Brain, spinal cord. Okay, remember to turn off your microphones, okay? And we have this one. These things are all handled by your nervous system. This is the name, nervous system, which is a network of organs and nerves that send signals through the body. What is the body? This one. This is my body. Look, my body. Your nervous system controls everything you do. For example, run, talk, sing, dance, okay? Including breathing. What is breathing? Look, through the nose. Moving, I move, and smelling. Smelling. For example, when you smell something delicious like the cooks, the food, okay? Cakes, very good. And what is a nervous system? What is this one? The nervous system is the highway along which your brain, remember the brain that is inside our head, the brain sends and receives information about what is happening in the body and around it. This highway is made of billions of nerves. We have many nerves inside our body. Many nervous cells inside our body. Or neurons, which join together to make nerves. Look, this one is, look this image. It's a nerve cell. This one in color blue and white and yellow. This is a nerve cell. We have this one inside our body. This one is inside our body. And like this, we have our nerves. Okay? Like these lines are the nerves. Nerves. Okay? The nervous system, the brain, and the spinal cord make up the central nervous system. So the central nervous system is for the brain and the spinal cord. What is the brain? Inside our head. And what is the spinal cord? Inside our body. Okay? The brain lines protect inside the skull and from there controls all the body functions by sending and receiving information through the nerves. Okay? Look, this one is the brain. Okay? And these ones, the nerves. Look. Okay? Then we have this one. The nervous system is made of the brain, the spinal cord, and a large network of nerves that covers all parts of our body. Look, this one is the brain. And the spinal cord. We're going to start with this, with the brain. Look, we have many parts in the brain. Frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and the temporal lobe. This is our brain. And remember, the brain is inside our head. In this part, we have the spinal cord. Look, this one, this largest is the spinal cord. Spinal cord, remember. What is the name of this one? Spinal cord. And this one is the brain. Okay, very good. And we have together, the nervous system helps different parts of our body communicate and allows our brain to control what's going on. For example, when you are happy, when you are sad, when you cry, when you are angry, okay? Those are our emotions and they are controlled by our brain. Or when we communicate, when we talk, when we have a contact, okay? When we listen, when we speak, okay? And the brain and the spinal cord make up what is called the central nervous system. The rest of the nerves together are called the peripheral nervous system. Okay, remember, the central nervous is by the brain and the spinal cord. And the brain
Miss,
is about, mande, hola.
no es que te quedaste congelada.
Ah, ¿y ahora? ¿Me veo?
Miss, otra vez.
Okay. And now, ¿me miro? Yes?
No, es que te quedaste congelada.
¿Todavía o ya no?
No, todavía, ya no.
Ya no. Okay, very good. Thank you.
No la miro bien.
Okay.
¿Qué página?
No, we are not in book, Matt Fabricio. Okay? Oh, listen this one. The boss of your body is the brain. El jefe. The boss of your body is the brain. Okay? They controls absolutely everything you do. For example, when you run, when you sing, when you shake your body, the brain controls that. Okay? When you're asleep, too. They control this one when you're asleep, okay? And not bad for something that looks like a big gray and wrinkle sponge, okay? We have 5 parts which are the key pieces of brain equipment. The first part is the midbrain. Is the thinking part of the brain and controls the voluntary muscles. They move when you want them to move. For example, this one. That's why you need the headers to dance or to kick a soccer ball. For example, this one in color blue, look. This is the midbrain. What is the name of this one? Don't do that, guys. Pay attention. Rayando la pizarra.
Y yo sé algo cuando nosotros dormimos.
Ajá,
cuando
yes.
nosotros dormimos, todo el cuerpo descansa. Menos el corazón y menos el cerebro.
The brain, very good, excellent, Hase. So this one in color blue.
Menos los pulmones.
Very good. And this one in color blue is the midbrain. Midbrain. What is the name? Midbrain. Tell me, Matías.
También descansa los huesos para tener energías con ellos.
Exactly, very good. So remember, the first part is the midbrain that controls your thinking. For example, if you want to go to the bathroom, you need to think in first, right? So these one are examples. For example, when you dance, your midbrain think about that. To dance, the midbrain controls that. To kick a soccer ball, the midbrain controls that. To draw, the midbrain controls that. Okay? To dance, to kick a soccer ball, and to draw. The other one is the cerebellum. Cerebellum is a very important part of the brain. It controls the balance, the movement, and coordination, how your muscles work together. This one, look, this one is the cerebellum. Let me show you. This one is the cerebellum. What is the name of this one? Cerebellum. Cerebellum. Very good. Cerebellum is very important, remember. It controls, this one, the cerebellum controls. When you balance, you have a balance. When you movement, shake your body, movement. And when you have coordination. The cerebellum controls these things. Balance, movement, and coordination. Cerebellum. What was the name of the first one? The first part? ¿Cuál fue el primer nombre de la primera parte? Midbrain. Brain that controls to dance, to kick a soccer ball, and to draw. The second one, what is the name of the second one? Cerebellum. Excellent. And the cerebellum controls balance, movement, and coordination. The other one is another part of the brain that is small, but very important, is the brainstem. Brainstem. The brainstem takes care of all the functions your body needs to do to stay alive, such as breathing air, digesting food when you eat, digesting food, and circulating blood. Look, this one is the brainstem. This one in color orange. Mande?
¿Qué es ese palo que es como un palito de árbol?
This one is the brainstem. Brainstem controls when you breathe in, Mati. Breathing, that one is that control this. And when you digesting food and the circulation blood. This one controls that. Look the images. This one. The brainstem controls when you breathe in air. Look. Breathing air. When you digesting food. And when you have the circulating blood. This one is controlled. What is the name of this one? Brainstem. Brainstem. The brainstem controls when you breathe in air, when you digesting food, and when you have the circulation blood. Okay?
Blood?
Yes. Blood. Circulation blood. And we have the other one. The pituitary is too small. It's the size of pea. Its function is to manufacture and release hormones in your body. If last year's clothes have outgrown you, it's because your pituitary gland has released special hormones that you have made you grow. This one, look, this circle is the pituitary. What is the name? Pituitary. Pituitary. Exactly, pituitary. This is the name of this one. And what controls the pituitary? Look, controls when the clothes have outgrown you. Cuando no le queda la ropa. Su crecimiento. Poverty. Puberty, it controls your poverty and the water in your body. Remember, in our body, inside our body, we have water. Tell me.
Es bueno tomar water porque
our body needs it.
Porque si no tomamos water, entonces nos podemos deshidratar.
Exactly. Yes, Matthias, very good. So it's very important for the pituitary, remember. Controls when you grow up. The clothes have outgrown you. When you grow up, you make
Por ejemplo, la agua ayuda para que se pueda ir la sangre.
Exactly, yes, very good.
Así será más fácil, pero si no tomas agua, no va a ser, ni tampoco te bañas porque te va a dar como cosas así que son malas.
Remember, yes, it's important to drink water. Yes, very good, excellent. Thank you, Hazel. It's important to drink water, very good. And we have that last part, the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is your brain's internal thermometer. For example, this one, look that image. Okay. The hypothalamus knows what temperature your body should be. If your body is too hot, look, when it's too hot, the hypothalamus will tell you to sweet. If it's too cold, the hypothalamus will make you shiver. Shivering and sweating are your body attempts to get back to temperature it needs to have. This one, look. This one is the hypothalamus. Remember. Hypothalamus. For example, controls when you sweat. Sweat when it's very hot. We sweat. Controls when you are shivering, and it controls the temperature for your body.
Miss,
Temperature of your body. Mande.
y si tenemos frío y no estamos abrigados, entonces nos podemos enfermar.
Exactly.
Como también es un poquito bien heladito, nos puede dar calentura fuerte.
Yes. Exactly. Yes, Matías, very good. Okay. So this one, the hypothalamus controls to sweat, to shiver, and the temperature of your body. Okay. Very good. And we have this one. Dr. Kate says, is a doctor, and she wants to tell you something. You can help your nervous system work well and be healthy by being active, having a healthy diet, and keeping yourself busy and happy. You can take care if you eat vegetables, fruits, okay? But if you eat churros, candies, okay, it is not good for your body, okay? And what is the first thing that we need to do? Exercise. Mande?
Pero los dulces arruinan los dientes.
Exactly.
También
It's bad for your body.
he descubrido algo de los churros.
Mhm.
¿Ves? Cuando los churros son que manchan los dedos son malos.
Mhm.
Y los que no manchan los dedos son buenos.
Mhm. Okay, very good. Thank you, Hazel. Tell me
Pero
what-
también son buenos. ¿Ves? Yo un día estaba enferma y ya no podía comer churros así colorantes. Solo podía comer de los churros que no eran colorantes porque estaba enfermo. Entonces no podía.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Matías. Okay.
Todos tienen colorantes.
So, listen, mande Aida.
Yo también he estado enferma de vómito.
Oh, okay. You need to take her, okay? Very good. And what is the first thing that we need to do? Eat healthy. Eat fruits, vegetables. What else? Make exercise. Make exercise. Remember. The other one? Good food. Good
Miss.
food, Mande.
Hay que comer muchos vegetales porque son
Vegetables.
vegetables porque son muy más buenos que las chucherías.
Exactly.
Porque los vegetables son más porque tienen vitaminas y no
Exactly.
son malos porque las cosas que son candy y churros son malas porque no son buenos. Los
Exactly.
colorantes malos.
Yes, very good. The chatarra food is very bad.
Porque
Eat a lot of pizza.
mancha el cuerpo.
Mhm.
Y si también usted no toma, uno no toma mucha agua y toma solo,
Coca-Cola, Pepsi, it's very bad.
se les pueden arruinar el estómago y se les ensucia.
Exactly, yes, very good. Thank you, Ashley. Raise your hand if you want to talk.
Si se nos ensucia el estómago y sentimos que está bien sucio y está malo, entonces podemos ir a agarrar un bote con agua y ya se limpia y ahí no vamos y nuestro estómago se va a sentir bien porque viene el agua. el estómago.
Exactly, you need to drink water. Very good. Ajá, Alejandra, what you want to tell me?
Es que si no comes muchas cosas saludables, te puedes mucho enfermar.
If you eat what? Muchas cosas saludables. Es malo.
No.
Ah, si no come muchas cosas saludables. Eso.
Sí se enferma uno. No
Yes,
está saludable tu cuerpo y se va
exactly.
de todas las
Lo que pasa you need to have a healthy food. Very good.
Solo de la casa debe de comer uno.
Exacto.
Yo no puedo levantar la mano porque tengo la cámara apagada porque me da pena.
Yes, yes, yes. Don't worry, Hazel. Tell me, Hazel. Tell me, Hazel.
Más de un mes de haberla pedido.
En verdad,
Ujú.
Que ahí ya
siempre hay que comer brócoli, pero también hay
Brócoli,
frutas que contienen un poco de dulce, pero mis papás me están ahorrando y también están comprando cosas, pero están botando algunas de las frutas porque algunas son saludables, pero
Exactly. Yes, very good.
tienen un poco de dulce. Y
Yes,
están haciendo dulces, pero porque están haciendo frescos
Ujú.
sin tampoco hacerlos con tanto azúcar.
Azúcar, ajá, very good. Excellent. Thank you. Tell me, Aida. Wait, Matías. First Aida. Ajá, Aida, tell me.
También sí, pero la sopa, cuando alguien se enferma
Ujú.
y no come,
Ujú.
cuando no come
Wait,
nada,
Aida is talking, ajá.
cuando uno no come nada, cuando
Ajá.
no come nada y se
Okay.
puede morir.
Yes, ajá, you can be sick. Sick. You can be sick. And ajá.
Hay que tomar
Ajá, Ashley. Wait, Matías.
también si no come cosas saludables,
Ajá.
entonces también uno se le puede ensuciar el estómago. Cada cosa que no es cosa saludable se le puede ensuciar.
Of course, yes. Yes. Ajá, Matías. Tell me, Matías.
Ya terminó la clase.
Apagó el micrófono, Matías. No, we didn't finish.
Mi tía a mí me compró unas gomitas con vitaminas y me las tengo que comer en el día, en la noche,
Ajá.
para que no me enferme.
Yes, of course. Tell me, Fernanda Córdoba.
En vacaciones que ya le...
And we have to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables.
Yes, because it's good for your body. If you eat sugar
And water.
and candies, it's bad.
And water.
And water too, drink water, very good. And the last thing that you need to do is keeping busy and happy. If you are angry all the days, it's not good for your body. It's not good for your brain. All the day you cry and you are angry, it's not good for your brain and your body. You need to be happy.
A su madre, que está
Angry
de
or sad or
negativo.
crying. Tell me, raise your hands. Ajá, Matías.
También hay que hacer mucho ejercicio porque es bueno y puede hidratar el ejercicio.
Yes.
Y si no hacemos, nos podemos hacer débil porque no pudimos hacer.
Very good, yes. You need to make exercise. Ajá, Ashley.
Yo ayer fui a correr con mi papá.
Excellent, very good. You make exercise, very good. So guys, here we have this one. Look, another one. Wait, let me check this one. This one, we have a video. This is for you. Fabricio, do you have questions? No, Fabricio?
Sí.
Ajá,
Mi
Fabricio.
padre, no veo dónde está el video.
And now, Hazel?
No lo veo. No. Yes. We can see. No lo veo. Quítale y vuélvalo a poner, a ver.
Right now?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. So, listen, okay, and pay attention right now. Let me put this one. Yes. Pay attention, okay? I'm going to put play.
Hello, friends. Today we'll learn about the nervous system. How do our lungs remember to breathe when we're asleep? How does your nose tell you that your favorite cookies are baking in the kitchen? Our nervous system is in charge of these things and a lot more. In fact, it's the boss of our body. Nervous system is a network of organs and nerves that send signals throughout the body. Our nervous system controls everything we do, including breathing, smelling, and moving. The two main parts of the nervous system are the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system.
Mande.
Se quedó trabado en mi computadora. Yes. Se quedó trabado como la gomita. Se quedó trabado como el dulce.
¿A todos o solo a algunos?
Yo solo a la imagen, al video, el YouTube.
Okay. Can you hear me? Ok, apaguemos los micrófonos ahorita y si hay algún problema me avisan, ¿ok? Listen.
Okay.
Things and a lot more. In fact, it's the boss of our body. Nervous system is a network of organs and nerves that send signals throughout the body. Our nervous system controls everything we do, including breathing, smelling, and moving. The two main parts of the nervous system are the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is the part of the nervous system consisting of the brain and spinal cord. The brain lies protected inside the skull. And
¿Cómo?
Again.
¿Qué pasó?
Again.
Now?
Se quedó
from
trabado.
there it controls all the body functions by receiving and sending messages through the nerve.
Todavía.
No, miss, no.
Ya no.
No, ya está.
The brain has two parts. The biggest part is cerebellum. It has two parts, the left and right cerebral hemispheres. Scientists think that the right part helps us think about abstract things like music, shapes, and colors. The left part is more analytical, helping us with math, speech, and logic. The brainstem in the brain links the brain to the spinal cord and the rest of the body. It is in charge of all the functions our body needs to stay alive, like breathing air and digesting food. Now, the peripheral nervous system. It includes all the nerves that go from the skin, muscle, and organs to the spinal cord and brain. The peripheral nervous system has two functions. Some of the nerves receive information when we taste something. These messages are carried to the brain by these nerves. They're called sensory nerves. Other nerves carrying messages from the brain to the body are called motor nerves. They tell us what action should be taken. The peripheral nervous system controls some automatic actions like breathing, digesting, etc. All the nerves are made up of neurons. They have three main parts: nucleus, dendrites, and the axon. Dendrites take in the electric messages to the cell bodies. Axon takes the messages away from the cell body. Now, you know a lot about the nervous system. Please drop a like, leave a comment, share the...
Okay. Can you hear it? Yes?
Se le escucha eso. Yes.
¿Escuchan bien?
Ya no.
Okay. Did you like the video? Did you
Yes.
like the video? You understand about what
Yes.
he talked about? About what he talked about? Raise your hand and tell me.
nervous system.
Excellent. Tell me, Fernanda Córdoba. About what?
About of the nervous system.
Excellent. About the nervous system. What else? Tell me. Raise your hand if you have questions. Tell me.
Y también
Ajá, Hazel.
que también lo que yo dije, yo he visto ahí unas flechitas ahí,
Mhm.
como de color azul, y yo creo que es el agua, y en el otro lado es la sangre.
Okay, yes, very good. Excellent. What else? Tell me. Raise your hand and tell me. Dana. About the video. Tell me. I want to know what you learned. What you learned about the video. ¿Qué aprendió acerca del video? What you learned?
Miss, ¿qué nos está preguntando?
About the video. About the video.
¿Qué pasó?
What you learned about the video. Tell me. What can you see in the video? Natalie.
Comer saludable.
Raise your hand. Very good, Ashley. You need to eat healthy. Raise your hand. What else?
Different parts.
Different parts. Matías.
Dormir, sleep.
Sleep. You need sleep. You need sleep. What else?
The brain.
And your brain. You need to take
natural.
Very good. And we remember we have many nerves inside our body. And we have the brain. Where we have the brain? In the hands we have the brain.
We have
In the head. Very good. We have in the head. Excellent. Very good.
que cuando hay tareas,
Hazel is talking, wait.
es así, un poco morado cada vez, y en el otro lado, algunas veces comemos. Yo creo que en la parte, y también podemos comer porque hay varias partes que los puedes controlar y también porque no podemos comer, hacer tareas.
Yes, very good. Excellent. Thank you. Matías.
Yo tengo extra class. Extra class.
Yes, today we're going to have extra class. Okay, listen, I'm going to pass attendance list again. Okay, when you heard your name, you need to say present. Aida.
Present.
Ana.
Present.
Fabricio. María Fernanda. Matías.
Present.
Mariana.
Present.
Hazel.
Present.
Ashley.
Present.
Fernanda Córdoba.
Present.
Alan. Natalie.
Presente.
Okay, and the last one is Zoe, right? Zoe.
Present.
Very good.
Present.
And Fabricio, yes, I called you. Ya lo había llamado, Fabricio, okay? Don't worry. Okay? Okay, don't worry. So, guys, I hope that you like the class. So, we finished the class. Remember the topic is the central nervous system. Tell me. What is
We
the
have
question?
another class.
You have the Spanish class. And
Allá
then,
andando
today
aventura.
we have the extra
Allá.
learning class. Remember, and you have homework. You need to do the homework. Remember, okay? Matías.
Ya me puedo desconectar porque
Yes, we finished the class. So take care, okay? Do the homework. Remember to do the homework.
Yes.
Because all the homeworks have points. Todas tienen puntos, remember. So guys, thank you. And
Take
see
care.
you
A question.
tomorrow.
The homework is playing. Bye
Yes.
bye. Bye bye.
Yes, Fernanda.
Quítame corazoncito, Miss.
Bye bye. Halan, go to sleep.
Hi, Miss. Hi, Miss. Hi, Miss. Hi, Miss. Hi, Miss. Hi, Miss.
Alan, Alan, go to sleep, Alan.
Bye.
Bye bye.